So I came into my truck this morning and found my rear view mirror sitting on the ground, and what was glued here came off. So I'm going to show you how I reattach it. Here's everything you're going to need to fix that rear view mirror. This Permatex kit with the rear view mirror adhesive in it and a cleaning towelette. This costs about $6. It's available on Amazon. I'll put a link to this product in the description so you can find it. For my mirror, I need a Torx T25 screw head. That's what tightens the screw that holds my mirror onto the metal button that's glued to the windshield. You're going to need a razor blade to be able to clean off both the surface of the button and of your windshield, and a pair of cutting dikes that you're going to use to cut open the little tube in here. Once you take this cap off, there is a tip in there that's sealed. You're going to need to snip that off so you get a nice clean drop of adhesive onto your button when you glue it to the windshield. First thing you want to do is get everything all cleaned up, and before I clean the glue off of the window here, I'm going to take a marker and I'm just going to mark it on the outside of the glass. So now I'm just going to use a small razor scraper to get that glue off, and I got a bunch of old glue from inspection stickers. I'm going to get that all off of here too. And here's what that metal button looks like. It's a piece of steel. Very smooth on this side. This is the side that's going to go on the windshield. When we glue it, it's critical that you get it on the first try, and if you don't, then you're going to need to just leave it and get you another button and glue it perhaps right next to it or right below it. But once you make an attempt here, if you put this on upside down or you put it on sideways, it's the wrong way for your car, you're going to have to leave it. You're not getting that thing off. So now next step we're going to do, open this package, we're going to get this cleaning wipe out and make sure that both surfaces are clean. So to open this up, you're going to peel from the corners. Actually leave that towelette attached and just hold on to this and use it to clean. So first I'm going to clean the window. And now I'm going to clean the surface of this button. This is how my mirror mounts on the windshield, with the high beam, low beam adjustment on the bottom here. And this is going to slide down on the button, and the button's going to go like this with the rounded part to the top. Now we're going to go ahead and put this adhesive onto the button. This top plastic piece, you're just going to twist it. It's going to break that little piece of tape, and then it's going to come off and look like a super glue container. Then you're going to need to cut the tip of that off. So we can get that adhesive out. And you're just going to put one drop in the center of your button. It's got a little more consistency than super glue. It's not quite as liquidy. And then you're going to press this right on the glass. And you're going to hold it in place for 1 minute. Now you're going to let that cure for 30 minutes, and then they say you can put the mirror on. I'm going to wait a little longer than that. I'll probably let it sit overnight and put that mirror on in the morning. The button is cured on there. And now we'll go ahead and install a mirror. Just going to slide it on. Onto the button there. Take my Torx and then tighten up that screw, and that's it. We are all installed. So hey, if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. That'll help other people find it. And again, look in the description for a link to that Permatex, and hopefully this helps you out. Have a great day.